Nechlani, teacher of grade 3. I hope you all are doing well. So today in chapter number 9, that is how many times, we will see new exercise. Okay. Now students, we will see multiplication of two-digit numbers with two-digit numbers, that also with carry. As you know that the number to be multiplied is called multiplicand, that is this 24. And by which it is getting multiplied, that is called multiplier, that is this 12. You also know about HTO. O stands for ones, T stands for tens, and H stands for hundreds. Now let's see. We will start from ones place. So actually we are multiplying 24 by 2. First of all, okay. Now let's see. 2 fours are 8. Here we will write. Now we will do cross multiplication. This 2, that is in tens place. So 2 twos are 4. So we got answer this 48. Yes. So actually we have done this 24 into 2. We got this 48 product as our first partial product. Okay. Now next we will see this one, that is in tens place. So students, actually we are multiplying this 24 by 10. So here we will write 24 into 10. So here just below this 8, first of all we will put 0 in ones place. Okay. Just below this 8. Now we will do. Okay. 1 fours are, yes, 4. This 4 will come in tens place. And now 1 twos are, yes, 2. That we will write in 100 place. Understood? Now this we got a second partial product. If we will multiply 24 by 10, we will get this answer, that is 240. So this is our second partial product. Okay. Now what we will do? We will just add this first partial product with second partial product. Okay, we will do addition of that. So here 0 is written. Yes, in ones place means here it will come 8 only. So 4 plus 4 is 8. So here we will write 8, and here 2 will come only because no other number is there. So here we will write 2. So our actual product is 288. Our actual product is 288. Like this you have to do. Understood students? Now students, we will see next example. 17 into 21. It's written. So first of all we will see ones place. This one, that is in ones place. So actually we are multiplying 17 by 1. So here also we will write 17 into 1. Now let's see. 1 sevens are, yes. Here we will write 7. Now we will do cross multiplication. 1 into 1 means 1 ones are, yes, 1. So here we got 17. 17 into 1 means 17 ones are 17. Okay. This is our first partial product. This is our first partial product. Now next we will see. Now this 2 is in tens place. So actually we are multiplying 17 by 20. We are multiplying 17 by 20. So here we will write 17 into 20 first of all. Now what we will do? Yes, we will put 0 just below the 7, that is in ones place. Okay. Now we will solve. Now 2 into 7 means 2 sevens are, yes, 40. So here we will write 4 in tens place, and here we will carry 1 in tens place. Okay. Now what we will do? Yes, we will do 2 into 1 means 2 ones are 2 and plus 1. Okay, 2 plus 1. So we got 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. So in this 100 place we will write 3. Okay, this is our second partial product, you can say. If we will multiply 17 by 20, we will get answer 300 0 3 is a 0. Here we will write 0. Now cross multiplication we will see 0 into 9. So answer is 0 only. Because as you know that any number multiplied by 0, you get the product 0 only. Yes. Now we will see this 5 that comes in tens place. So actually we are multiplying 93 by 50. So first of all we will put 0 over here. Yes. Now let's see. 5 into 3. So 5 3 is a 15. So here we will write 5 and here we will carry 1. Okay, in tens place. Now 5 into 9 means 5 9 is a 45. 45 plus 1 46. Yes. So here we will write 46. Okay. This is our first partial product which we got 00. And now 4650. This is our second partial product. Now we will add this. Yes. We will add this. So what will be the answer? See, 0 0 0 only you will get. Now it's written 0 and 5. To get answer 5. So here we will write 5. Now 6. So here we will write 6 because no other number is there. Yes. And here again we will write what? Single number is there? 4. So here we will write 4 only. So here the actual product we got is 4650. 4650. Like this you have to do. Understood? Now next we will see 57 into 46. So first of all we will see that number that comes in ones place, that is 6. So actually we are multiplying 57 by 6. So let's see now. 6 7s are 42. Yes. So here we will write 2 and here we will carry 4. That will come in tens place. Now we will see cross multiplication. 6 into 5. So 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 4. Yes. 34. So here we got our first partial product, that is 342. Yes. Now next we will see. Now we will see this 4 that comes in tens place. So actually we are multiplying 57 by 40. So first of all we will put 0 over here just below 2. That comes in ones place. Yes. Now 4 into 7. 4 7s are 28. Yes. So here we will write 8. And here we will carry 2. Okay. That comes in tens place. Now 4 into 5. 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 2. 22. We got the answer? Yes. So here we will write 22. Okay. Now this is our second partial product. Yes. Now we will add this. Okay. Let's see now. 2 and 0 it's written. So here it will come 2 only. Now 4 plus 8 is 12. So here we will write 2. Here we will carry 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Yes. And here single 2 is written. So here it will come 2 only. Yes. So here the actual product is 2622. Actual product is 2622. Now let's see. Solve the problems. If one bed costs rupees 85, what will be the total cost of 7 such beds? First of all, we will write cost of one bed. Okay, that is 85 rupees. Now we have to find out total cost of 7 beds. Okay, total cost of 7 beds. So what we will do? Yes, 85 into 7. Now how we will write? 5 in ones place and 8 in tens place into 7. Okay. Now 7 5s are? Yes, 35. So here we will write 5 and here we will carry 3 in tens place. 7 is a 56. Yes. Now 56 plus 3. Yes, you got answer 59. So here we will write 59. Means the total cost of 7 beds is 595. 595. Okay, you got answer 595. Okay. Now next we will see. If one garland has 64 flowers, then how many total flowers do 9 such garlands have? So here we will write number of flowers. Okay. In one garland 64. Now here we will write total number of flowers that we have to find out. So what we will do? Yes, 64 into 9. 64 into 9 we will do. Yes. So now let's see. 4 we will write in ones place. 6 we will write in tens place. Now into 9. 9 fours are 36. So here we will write 6 and here we will carry 3. Now 9 into 6. Okay, 9 6 are, yes, 54. 54 plus 3, 57. Means you can find out 576 flowers in 9 garlands. Understood? Now next we will see if one watermelon costs rupees 37, what will be the cost of 42 such watermelons? Now here we will write cost of watermelon, okay, of one watermelon, that is rupees 37, okay, 37 rupees. Now total cost of watermelons that we have to find out. So what we will do? Yes, 37 into 42. 37 into 42 we will do. Okay. Now let's find out. 37 into 42. Now 2 sevens are, yes, 14. So here we will write 4. Here we will carry 1. Now we will see cross multiplication. 2 threes are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So this we got our first partial product 74. Now we will see that number that comes in tens place. So actually we are multiplying 37 by 40. Okay, 37 into 40 we are doing. So first of all we will put 0 over here. Okay, in ones place just below 4. Now we will see now. 4 sevens are, yes, 28. Yes. So here we will write 8 and here we will carry 2. Okay. Now 4 threes are, yes, 4 threes are 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. So here we will write 14. Now this we got our second partial product. Now we will add this. Okay. We will add this. Now here it will come 4 only. Now 7 plus 8 is 15. Yes. So here we will write 5 and here we will carry 1. 1 plus 4 is 5 and here we will write 1, right, because no other number is there. So this is the total cost of 42 watermelons, that is 1554. 1554. This is the total cost. Understood? Now next we will see. There are 32 mangoes in a box. How many mangoes can there be in 32 such boxes? Now number of mangoes. That also in one box. So here we will write 32. Okay. Now total number of mangoes. Total number of mangoes. So that we have to find out. So what we will do? Yes, 32 into 32. Yes, 32 into 32. Okay. Now let's do it. 32 into 32. So first you will see this 2 that comes in ones place. Yes. 2 into 2 means 2 twos are 4. Yes. So here we will write 4. Now we will do cross multiplication. 2 into 3. 2 threes are 6. So here we will write 6. Now this is our first partial product. Now we will see next number, this 3 that comes in tens place. Okay. So actually we are multiplying 32 by 30. So here we will write 32 into 30. Okay. Now here we will put 0 just below 4. Now 3 into 2. 3 twos are 6. So here we will write 6 in tens place. Now 3 into 3. 3 threes are 9. That we will write it 100 place. Okay. Now this is our second partial product. Now we will just add this. Okay. We will do addition of this. Now here 0 is there. So here it will come 4 only. Yes. Now 6 plus 6 is 12. So here we will write 2 and here we will carry 1. Okay. And now 9 plus 1, 10. Yes. So here we will write 10. So you can find out 1024 mangoes in 32 boxes. Okay. 1024 mangoes you can find out in 32 boxes. Understood how to do this? So students, I hope today's concept is very clear to you. I will see you in my next one. Till then, bye and take care.